Alright, y'all. This is Harvester TV, which now that it's getting closer to New Year's, we're no, don't worry about it. You go down there and get it because I gotta put that video on here. Oh, that's fine. Anyways, getting close to New Year's, ain't got much longer. I was gonna share some of the few fireworks. I know everybody likes fireworks that I have with me. It's not a lot, but I've been getting some over the past year, saving some up. I guess we'll start out with the small stuff to start out with. Somebody done poked a hole in this. Double or nothing. Oh, it's got it right here. Double or nothing. Comes with a nail spot to tack it to in the tree, and then there's your fuse. What you do is you run that nail in that hole, run that nail in the hole up against the tree, and it spins. Don't know. Never shot one. Don't have the slightest idea about it. We're gonna film it, and we're gonna let y'all see what they about. So with that being said, let's keep on rolling. We're gonna throw all these up underneath here the cabinet. We gotta move all kind of fishing lures. You know I can't go without saying something about fishing. Little Mr. Gator. Next up, we got I want to show you this thing that I don't even know what this thing is. Thing was so cheap it don't even have a name on it. It's a don't know. Oh, it is a 36 shot something. 36 shot something. Don't know what it is. I guess it's sparklers or something like that. Don't know. Don't have a clue. Next thing is the Space Attack. This is 10 shots. That's what it looks like. Space Attack. The reason I'm sticking these up here is I want the bigger stuff on the bottom. As of right now, what we're doing is I'm just showing y'all the small stuff. Got I think 3 boxes of these. And all this was basically come in a pack. This is called the Stars and Booms. I can get it open, which I can't. Basically, what it is well, I'll open it right here for you. Stars and Booms. You got your platform, which is black block. Got your platform.
You think your dad will let us ship those in?
I don't know if he's gonna be home or not, believe it or not.
What do you mean?
No, they're going to Virginia after Christmas. After we get done doing Christmas with them. And then you've got these little half-pound bombs, is what they say they are. Little half-pound. Drop them down in there. They go up and they go boom. Make the clouds and stuff like that. Everybody likes to see it. But then we're getting on up into the bigger stuff. This ain't the biggest thing I got. I've got 12 of these. These are 60 grams max load. 6 canisters. That's what they do on the back right there. So we've got a red coconut, the crackle, purple and green strobe with silver coconut, blue and crackling, gold wave, green and white strobe. And we have got, and these blocks right here, believe it or not, these are actually pretty heavy. I'd say each shot's probably about a pound. That's what these look like. Got these from Sparky's. Down there next to Myrtle Beach. We got these on the way back from when we went on vacation. She's digging something else out. Got more of these. I'll pull one out and show you what they look like. Because it is December. That calendar's on July. December 21st, I believe. Good, not alive. I can't even pull this. Still hot outside. Yeah, and it's still like running in 70 and 80 degrees here where I'm at. Man, this sucks. I can't even get in a freaking box. Can you believe that crap? Me not being able to get into a box. That's pretty pathetic. Son of a gun. Oh, here we go. Now we rocking in the road. Anyways. They are canisters like that. They're pretty big. They're every bit of about, my hand and that's a pretty good bit of my hand. We're gonna see what those are about here pretty soon, I hope. Wish my dad and them was gonna be up to see it, but like I said, they're going to Virginia to do Christmas with
I'm not listening to that.
With my step aunt, with my aunt and my uncle, Aunt Kelly and my uncle Greg. I believe they are. I don't know if they're gonna be back in time, New Year's or not. Because I know I got to go back to work on the 2nd. Yeah, that freaking sucks. On day shift at that. No, it's day shift. Because we work Wednesday and Thursday. We're off the weekend. So we would go back Monday morning. Anyways, I don't know what day we go back. We will figure it out, I hope. But anyways, back to what we all said. This is probably every bit of 10 pounds. And this is 10 shots, and it's called Crown of Color. Hope y'all can see that. Crown of Color, 10 shot. Don't know much about it. Like I said, all these fireworks are new to me. Oh, it's got straight up aerial shells, 10 shots, colors, red, green, blue, silver. I think it says, don't know what that says.
Like it says one inch spinning balls.
No, right here.
Oh
no. The effects are rising colors, tails, crackling, crown color change. Sounds, nice lift and burst. Destruction 28 seconds each. average. For each shell, it takes it 27 seconds to go up. So, that's pretty good. What do we have here? Okay. Hog Heaven. I like this. This looks pretty cool. We got the Hog Heaven. Looks pretty cool from what I can tell. Warning. Shoots flaming balls. Carefully read other warning on side panel. Performance. 11 shot red tail to red band with silver glitter, green tail to blue band with gold glitter, silver tail to silver glitter, purple tail to purple, and green glitter. Cool. This is pretty heavy. What's it called? Let's go. Oh, don't y'all worry. There's plenty more. Trust me. There's about 8, 9 more up in this mug. Fiesta Fireworks. Flaming balls. I think this is like 100. Oh, I got them up here. This does not tell me how many shots it is. Believe it or not. It's a lot. I mean, y'all can tell. I mean, literally, like, here's one. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one. There's probably 25 in each row. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows, 25 in each row, and probably 6 or 7 in a row. 6 or 7 rows. And it's called a Fiesta Fireworks. Pretty cool, I think. He said, I've never shot none of these, so it's gonna be my first rodeo also. See what we got here. Twister glitter.
Twitter glitter.
What?
Twitter glitter.
Twitter glitter. Now that's the kind of Twitter I like, not the ones like Facebook. Twitter, my glitter. But it's like a fountain, I guess, just a bigger version of a fountain. Which, if you got kids, that's just pretty cool, I guess. I don't have no kids yet, anyhow. We're getting a little bit heavier. We got some out of control. It's 10 shots. I think that's pretty funny right there. It's got a dog running from or a dog chasing a kid with a cat. Trash can. Got a pretty mean, wicked seal for the fuse. We're gonna check out that. Now then, Troubleshooter Brothers. It's a 10 shot also. Pretty cool, I think. That's another one I got. Troubleshooter. I don't know if I've Barrel of Bangs. This is 19 shots. A barrel of bangs. Pretty solid, actually, believe it or not. Feels like it's made of plastic. 19 shooter. Barrel of bangs. Barrel of bangs. Alright. Now then, let's get over here to the little bit bigger stuff. I'm getting too old for this crap, y'all know that. Gator Jaws. 16 shot. 350 grains of powder. Cool. Gator Jaws. 16 shot. Return to Glory. 16 shot Return to Glory. Pretty cool.
I didn't have a Rebel flag one.
Yeah, they didn't have a Rebel flag one. Do or Die. Supposedly this is supposed to be one of the good ones. Do or Die. 28 shot. Pretty cool.
Watch us do it and it'll be a fountain.
I'd be pretty mad, trust me. Then we got.
You done shot some off?
Yeah, we done shot some of the small ones off. We got a. I don't know what you call this. You got Crown. Dawn Willow. I don't know what that says. Gold Willow. Silly Crown. Crackles.
Yeah, enter the same place to do it at his house. It's his name, so I have to do it.
But we got those. And folks, I do believe that's everything. Oh, hold on, she's saying I got something else. Y'all know these videos ain't never quick. They ain't never gonna be quick. For some doggone reason.
Yeah, you show that thing on the tree.
On the who?
That you tie or nail to the tree.
Yeah, I showed them that. We got some freaking poppers, man. Oh, me and her at prom. Yeah, you'll never see that again. I know. Green jacket. Yeah, I got stuff inside of this.
Don't drop the box.
These are called torpedo crackle snaps. They are not your average little bitty white crackle snaps. Poopin' puppies. Yes.
Poopy puppy.
Poopin' puppies.
Or don't slam it down too hard. And damn things like dynamite.
Torpedoes. I bought a whole box of them. Yes, I said it, a whole box. Pretty cool, I think. Where's your pack? Hey, throw that in the gun box. I bought a whole box for the reason of I like them. When I like something, I get a lot of it. These things are awesome. They are about the size of a 17 bullet. Think I'm lying?
And they sound just about like it.
If I'm lying, I'm dying. You know how kids throw snap pops at each other?
Don't drop it.
This is what adults throw at each other. Yes, they're freaking loud. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. I got 22 boxes of these things. 22 boxes of these, and I've gave a crap ton away. Said I gave 3 rows away basically. I gave 9 away, and I really got them for the 4th, but you know, I just don't think it's gonna make it to the 4th. What I got in mind is I actually got to pull last year they shot fireworks off without us. And if my dad or somebody's not at home, we'll go up there and we'll shoot with them. If my dad's not at home, if my dad's at home,
they got in trouble for shooting that with
we're shooting up there probably, or we'll go to my mom's house. I mean, either or. Hey, we'll find somewhere to shoot it. But I guess that's all me rambling around. Oh, one more thing on my last video about stuff you need to tan hides and stuff like that. Get a piece of cardboard, fellas. You can cut it down the middle. This piece right here is big enough for 2 hides. Take it, cut it up the middle. When you cut it up the middle, pin your tail out on this so it'll air dry. If it don't, your tail is going to rot. You don't want that. But catch y'all on the flip side. Next video is gonna be us trapping. So hope y'all like this. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. Try to do something a little different. I'm gonna try to go get out on the water tomorrow. Maybe, don't depend on how cold it is. But other than that, I guess that's all we got. Later.